The conflict between Hezbollah, backed by Iran, and Israel has been escalating since the Gaza war erupted in October. This has raised concerns about a larger clash between these well-armed FOs, following an Israeli airstrike in Jouaiyya, a village in southern Lebanon. 3 Hezbollah members and a high-ranking commander, Taleb Abdallah, also known as Abu Talib, were killed. This incident marks the most significant loss for Hezbollah in the past 8 months of conflict. During a funeral procession in Beirut, attended by thousands of Hezbollah supporters, a top official of the group vowed to intensify their operations against Israel. Israeli forces responded by targeting launch sites in southern Lebanon after rockets were fired towards northern Israel. The Israeli military reported intercepting some of these projectiles, while others caused fires in various locations across northern Israel. The death of Abdallah, who was a more senior figure than another high-level commander, Wissam Tal, killed earlier in January, signifies a notable escalation in the conflict. Hamas has expressed condolences, calling Abdallah a prominent leader. According to reports, Israeli strikes have resulted in the deaths of approximately 300 Hezbollah fighters in Lebanon, surpassing the losses from their last major conflict in 2006. Conversely, Hezbollah's attacks have resulted in the deaths of 18 Israeli soldiers and 10 civilians. The Israeli military asserts that it has eliminated over 320 Hezbollah members, with at least 100 targeted based on precise intelligence gathered on them. The situation remains tense, with both sides sustaining significant losses and continuing their aggressive postures.